Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Gujarati special snack mutia. Mutia are usually steamed and seasoned dumplings. These are very good tea time snack. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare mutia. We need 1.5 cup of wheat flour, 1/4 cup besan or chickpea flour, oil, pinch of baking soda, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin and coriander seeds powder, little sugar, ginger and green chili paste, lemon, salt to taste, 1 bottle gourd or 1 cup of grated bottle gourd, and for seasoning we need mustard seeds, sesame seeds, curry leaves, dry red chili and finely chopped coriander leaves. Let's start the preparation. First we have to peel the skin of bottle gourd. If bottle gourd is tender, you can just grate it using grater, or you can remove the seeds and then grate the bottle gourd. This bottle gourd is small. I am going to grate using medium size grater. Here I have taken around 1 cup of grated bottle gourd. Depending on bottle gourd quantity, you have to take wheat flour and besan. Now we can prepare the steamer ready. In a pot, add 1 to 2 glasses of water. On that, we have to keep greased perforated plate or utensil. Close the lid and keep it on medium to high stove heat until we can prepare the mutia dough. Take wheat flour and besan, add pinch of baking soda, add all masala like turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin coriander seeds powder, sugar and green chili ginger paste. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil, squeeze half lime. Now we have to mix everything well. After dry mixing this flour, we have to add grated bottle gourd. Add finely chopped coriander leaves, and now we have to add salt to taste and make it into a dough, or you have to combine everything well. Don't add water to this. Our mutia dough is ready. Apply little oil and we have to make it into a cylindrical shape. Now these are ready to go in steamer. Our steamer is ready. Keep this in steamer. I have greased this perforated plate using oil. Keep it in steamer and close the lid and steam these on medium to high stove heat for 20 to 30 minutes. It's almost 30 minutes now. Time depends on size of the mutia. These have steamed well. You can see if we touch with finger, these are very firm. Take these in any plate or cutting board and allow these to cool completely. Muttiah have cooled completely. Now we have to cut these into 5 to 6 or 6 to 7 mm thickness muttiahs. You can see I am cutting these muttiahs. These have steamed well, you can see. Now we have to season this muttiah. In a big utensil, we have to take 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. You can add more sesame seeds in this recipe. Add curry leaves, dry red chilies. Roast everything well until sesame seeds become little golden brown. Now we have to add cut muttiahs. Keep stove heat to medium to low. We have to toss everything well and cook it on medium to low stove heat for 3 to 4 minutes or until muttiahs become little golden brown. Muttiahs are almost ready. Now we have to add finely chopped coriander leaves. Switch off the stove and serve it hot. These are very good tea time snack. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.